Hello, Vikings. I'm going to help you navigate the Jostens graduation website to find the items that you most need. Cap and gowns at their cheapest price. It is a bit of a journey. Here we go. First, I'm going to click on graduation. And once again, given the speed of the internet, you're going to have to wait a little bit. Their server is also a little slow, but eventually it will get there. And the first page you come to is something you absolutely do not want. You want to browse all packages. You're still not there. You want to go down and browse all grad products. Then you want to scroll down even more to caps and gowns, browse all. Then you think, hey, I've made it. I see the package C for $61.75. But wait, if you scroll down, you'll see the cap and gown unit for $45 and individual tassels of various statuses and prices. And that's where you want to be. This is what you want, the cap and gown unit at its cheapest price, which loads, and then you can purchase it for $45 and it'll be green with a cap, a gown, and a tassel. That's where you want to be. Good luck. And if you have any questions, feel free to call me at 650-279-5334. Thank you.